Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Adobe issue that you're unable to install Adobe XD. Please check retry to start again. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to modify on File Explorer. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung File Explorer. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong File Explorer, so dito lang sa left side menu. And then kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung this PC. At dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung devices and drives. So, select mo lang dito yung ating C drive. So, select and double click. And next step ay, kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows. So, iselect mo lang tong Windows, select and double click. And dito sa Windows ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung temp or yung TEMP. So, scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung temp mga kaibigan. Alright, so once na-locate mo na yung temp, ito siya. So, TEMP. And then, ang gagawin natin dito is select and right-click. And select mo lang dito yung properties. And dito lang sa kanyang temp properties, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, dito lang sa group or usernames. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung to change permissions. And then, click edit. So, dito sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung edit. And dito lang sa kanyang permissions for theme. And the next step, dito lang sa group or username ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung everyone. Okay? So, i-select mo lang dito yung everyone. And then for example, select mo lang yan. And then dito sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung kanyang permissions for everyone. And kailangan naka-allow lahat ito. Okay? So, dito sa allow sections, and then naka-full control dapat lahat dito naka-check. And then next step ay click mo lang dito yung okay. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then after dito sa File Explorer, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to reset the Microsoft Store. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. At dito sa search for apps, so kailangan lang natin i-enter dito yung command keyword na WS reset. Ayan. And then automatic naman na makikita mo kaagad dito yung command na WS reset. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. Kaya ginagawa natin itong command keyword na WS reset para mag-back to default itong ating Microsoft Store at ma-fix yung problem. So after dito, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu. And then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. I-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix with the error code 191 unable to install Adobe XD in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.